Hello! If you have JBL Northridge E-Series speakers with a non-working or damaged titanium dome tweeter, then today I'll show you how to easily fix this problem for a small cost by replacing the tweeter driver. You'll need to buy a replacement JBL tweeter. It can be found on online shops. Here's a small sound demo.
Would you be fine?
Before and after the tweeter replacement. I think you could hear the difference. The first step is to remove the broken or non-working tweeter driver. Remove the speaker cables from the tweeter contacts. If they're stuck, you can use a screwdriver to gently loosen the spade connectors or press on the locking point that holds it in place. Once the tweeter is removed, switch your multimeter to resistance mode and measure whether the tweeter is alive. In my case, the multimeter showed 1, which means infinite resistance. The speaker contacts don't connect to the voice coil. Here's the new tweeter. Measure its resistance as well. As you can see, this one works and shows proper impedance. Next, remove the old tweeter from the waveguide housing. You'll see how careful you need to be with the new tweeter. It can be damaged in an instant because the speaker magnet attracts any nearby metal object. The next step is to center the new tweeter carefully. It must sit exactly in the center, with the contacts on the sides, so they don't interfere with the plastic mounting bracket. Then gently screw down the holding bracket. Do it with feeling, as everything here is plastic. New tweeter looks so good now. Put the insulation foam back. Then, correctly connect the speaker cables. This part is easy, because the spade connectors have different widths. If any connector feels loose, squeeze it slightly to make a solid contact. Screw the waveguide housing back in place. Do it diagonally to avoid damaging the plastic, and to tighten it evenly to the speaker box. Tighten the screws gently, without applying too much force. Connect the amplifier and check sound. Nice! I got my center speaker working again. This method works for all JBL Northridge E and EC series speakers. E10, E20, E30, E50, E60, E80, E90, E100, EC25, and EC35. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and help reach 100,000 subs for more useful DIY audio videos.